mamaya nyo comprehend. Just follow me and listen first. Ha? Okay. Oxygen for blood. Oxygen for blood is collected by the superior and inferior vena cava. And these are great veins. Yung superior vena cava is collecting pure oxygen blood from above the head. And yung inferior vena cava is collecting oxygen poor blood dun sa lower part of the body. So lahat ng organs kinukuha niya yun. So pag ganun yan. Now, everything enters to the heart sa right side. Kaya blue ang kinolor ko para maintindihan niya na this is oxygen poor blood. So definitely there are 4 chambers ng heart. You have the right atrium, and you have the left ventricle, right ventricle. Okay, dito muna tayo Okay, and this is the what? Mitral or tricuspid valve? The tricuspid valve. Tricuspid ba? Nandito yan. Okay, so dito yan nagdadaan yung oxygen poor blood sa right side. Then it will go up going to the right and left pulmonary arteries. Okay, papunta ito sa right and left lung. So, right and left lungs. Okay. Dito sa right and left lungs, magkakameron tayo ng exchange of oxygen. Kasi nag-inhalation tayo eh. Okay, you call that exchange external respiration. Gets no?
Apo.
Okay. Then, now, meron na siyang oxygen. Babalik ito sa ating, from the right and left lungs, it will go back to the left part of the heart. Through your right and left pulmonary veins. Okay? Katapat nito, syempre, ay left atrium. And then, it will go back down. It will go down to your mitral valve. Then, to your left ventricle. Gets yan? Then, it will go up to your aorta for your distribution. Now, pag umabot na yan dun sa mga organ, yun yung tinatawag nating internal respiration. Okay? So, mas madaling maintindihan ngayon kaysa dun sa... Okay. Kung makikita nyo sa aorta dumadaan, kasi maraming organ na maraming kaya nandito yung heart septum, yung gitna. Tapos may nababasa pa kayong sinoatrial node. Nasa likod ng heart yun. Yun na nagpapatibok ng puso. Kaya, pag tumigil yun ng pagtibok, yun yung hindi na napapalitan yun. Ang ipinapalit doon ay pacemaker. Okay? Gets na? Okay. Clarence, magbait ka daw. Sabi nung kaklase mo, nung kabarkada mo. Si Edward. Magbuhos. Hindi mo kilala?
Edward.
Edward